Welcome back, friends. My name is Vijay. Today we will be talking about how to read a book faster and how to understand the book completely. Now, to begin with, you would need to choose the book with a purpose. What is the purpose you have in the mind for choosing the book? Do you need to learn something much more faster? Do you want to any kind of ideas, or do you want to learn about that specific person in case of autobiography, what that person did? So make the purpose in your mind and then select the proper book. Now here I am talking about the non-fiction genre. Now there are many types of non-fiction genre. For example, history. For example, history. Then we have the humor. Then we have the autobiographies. Then we have the self-help books. I will be making a different video wherein I will be discussing about different types of genres soon. Now, once you have the book in your hand, before you start reading, please read the summary of the book first. Once you are done reading with the summary, read each and every chapters of the book, just the name for the chapter. After reading the chapters, when you start to read, actually make sure that you read one paragraph, skip the other paragraph, read the next paragraph. In this way you will be able to finish the book much more faster. Now I just wanted to know from you guys. Now, reading 50 books and understanding 50% of it is good, or reading just 2 books and understanding 100% of it is good? Please give me your answers in the comments below. Also, please make sure that you underline at least 2 lines from that page which you feel that are important. Also, once you read a specific chapter, make sure that you make notes for that chapter. This way you will be able to understand what is there in that specific chapter. In this way you will be able to read more books and you will have an understanding of that book very well. Even if it's 50% at the beginning, you will be able to read more books. So I would suggest you go with this technique and start reading more and more books. Well friends, this was well friends, this was it. Well friends, this was my perspective for this. I am just waiting for your perspective. So please give me your suggestions in the comment. Also please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, like and share my channel, so that it will boost up my confidence and I will make more and more videos. Bye for now.